Some colours are considered warm, while others are thought of as cool. In this lesson, we'll take a look at using warm colours and cool colours in your compositions. There's lots of theory written about how colours will make you feel. I think too much of it is very specific and presumptive. Using the theory as a practical guide to how colours can affect your photos is a practical way of using this information. Having a general understanding of the influence warm and cool colours have in your pictures will help you make good use of them. Red, orange and yellow are warm colours. How we perceive them as being warm takes part in our subconscious. We typically don't see a red or an orange thing and think that it looks warm. Being aware of the perceived influence colours have on emotion, we are then able to make use of them when we compose our pictures. Using mainly warm colours in a photo will give an uplifting, positive atmosphere. Think of pictures of sunrises and sunsets and how they can make you feel. These kinds of photos are universally popular, partly because the colours they contain help us to feel good. Light quality can affect how we see warm colours and how your cameras record them. During the golden hour, warm colours become more enriched by the sun's light. When the sun is low in the sky and passes through more of the Earth's atmosphere, it can have a warmth that it does not have in the middle of the day. When you want to create the warmest photos, making use of the light during these times of the day is a good idea. Find some objects to photograph or go out exploring with your camera to find some warm colours. Think about how you can make some feel-good photos by using reds, oranges and yellows as the main colours of your compositions. Try to find a few different kinds of things to photograph. If you have a garden or are nearby a park, flowers could provide you with the colours that you're looking for. Fruits, fabrics or colourful painted architecture are other possibilities. Take some photos with only warm colours or a single warm colour. You may need to get close to your subject and isolate the colour. Then take some others where the warm colour is the main colour and include only warm colours, black or white, in your compositions. Take good notes about what you're doing and how you are observing the effects the colour is having on your compositions. Cool colours appear on the opposite side of the colour wheel than warm colours. They are blue, green and purple. Cool colours tend to create a more subdued and restful feeling in photos than warm colours do. Blues and greens are prominent in nature. Blue sky and ocean are not actually blue, they just have that appearance. Our eyes can see many shades of green than any other colour. They can range from very cool green-blue to a much warmer feeling green with little blue and mainly yellow in the mix. There's a blurring of hues that make green hard to distinguish from yellow at times, but greens containing a lot of blue in the mix are definitely cool colours. One of the main contrasts we see in light colour temperature is in the mornings and evenings during the transition between blue hour and golden hour. As the sun sets, the atmosphere can be happy and warm when bathed in the orange-yellow glow of the sun. Once the sun sets, the blue light of dusk turns the light temperature way down. Of course, as with any colour, how light or how dark cool colours are also affects the mood you can create with them. Lighter cool colours can produce a more restful, relaxed feeling. Using darker cool colours and maybe underexposing them, you can create a sadness and a heavier feeling to your photos. Either find a selection of items from around your home or go for a walk to see what cool colours you can photograph. Think about how you are framing your subjects and make sure everything in your compositions is intentional. Try using some composition techniques that you've not used very often. When was the last time you used leading lines or included curved lines in some photos? Think about how best you can make the most of the cool colours you're working with to make some sad or more restful photos. Key points from this lesson are: some colours are considered warm, while others are thought of as cool. There's lots of theory written about how colours will make you feel. Using mainly warm colours in a photo will give it an uplifting, positive atmosphere. Cool colours tend to create more subdued and restful feeling in photos. Our eyes can see many more shades of green than any other colour.